Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vaseline Vitamin B3 body oil. Begin with clean, dry skin to maximize absorption and results. Apply a nickel to quarter size, amount depending on the area you treat. Gently massage the oil in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes until it absorbs. Use daily after showering for softer, smoother skin and target rough patches with extra attention for best results. Use this oil right after a warm shower while skin is still slightly damp to seal in moisture. For hands and feet, apply a bit more at night and wear cotton gloves or socks to boost overnight repair. If elbows or knees are rough, reapply as needed and massage thoroughly into those zones. Consistency matters, so routine application will show improvement in texture and overall hydration over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more skincare tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep and post-care snacks hassle-free, perfect for storing lotions or on-the-go moisturizers without spills. I find them handy when packing tubs or sample sizes for travel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Do a patch test on an inconspicuous area to ensure you don't react negatively to the formula. Avoid getting the oil near your eyes or on open wounds, and if irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a professional. Keep the bottle sealed and stored in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight to preserve potency. Remember that less can be more, so start with a smaller amount and increase if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.